Hey, it's CG from Gillian Capital coming back to you with another video on Quiet Cashflow. If you give me just a few minutes of your time, I'll show you how to generate income in an unconventional way, a strategy that may completely reshape the way that you think about money. Imagine earning revenue without needing no sales, no marketing. Heck, you don't even need customers. Your only business partner is a phone in your hand. Well, this is the introduction to covered calls. So what are covered calls? Think of it like renting out a house, but easier. You own 100 shares of a stock. Instead of selling your stock, you rent them out by selling a call option. That means someone pays you a premium for the right to buy your shares at a higher price, called the strike price. And just like rent, you get paid monthly, without any phone calls or meetings. No awkward conversations, no paperwork, just consistent income deposited directly into your account. Here's a real example. The company Intel trades at about $30 a share. You own 100 shares, worth $3,000. You sell a monthly covered call with a $32 strike price. The premium you collect is $150. If Intel stays under $32, you keep your shares and the $150 premium. If Intel rises above $32, your 100 shares get sold at $32, earning you $200 in appreciation for all shares, plus the $150 premium. That's a profit of $350 for the month, on top of your $3,000, all from one stock you own at $30, the equivalent of passive income. Just like collecting rent, but without dealing with tenants or the headaches of maintenance. That $350 every month adds up to $4,200 a year from one single stock. Imagine stacking this across multiple stocks, or you can rinse and repeat this method on the same stock. Unlike renting a house, you never have to talk to anyone or deal with any problems. The power in covered calls is that they give you the ability to determine your income from your own assets. Now you might say, CG, I don't have $3,000. And I would say that's fine. You can do this on a $5 stock. The concept is still the same. Anyone can do this. Anyone. You just have to pick quality stocks. And here's the best part. You can do this from anywhere in the world. In the airport, at dinner, even vacationing on a beach. This is why I refer to it as quiet cash flow. Because even while you're enjoying yourself, the money is still moving quietly. This is just one of the strategies I use to generate income in the stock market. It completely changed the way I think about income, and I hope you can experience the same. If you enjoy these types of videos, give this one a like, and come be a part of the movement. See you guys in the next video.